December 2nd, 2023, police were called to a gas station after a manager reported that a terminated employee was refusing to leave the premises. What began as a workplace issue quickly escalated when the woman refused to comply with multiple requests. This is what happened next.
Hey, how you doing? Thank you. Hi. You work here?
Yes.
Someone called the police?
Yeah. People making us.
There's no one there. Hey.
How you doing?
What's up, man?
Could you take her out this way, please?
Her?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I can't hear you. I'm sorry. What'd you say?
I just met him today. Don didn't inform me that he was the manager.
Okay. Is he in charge though?
Yes, I'm.
Don didn't tell me that.
But I mean, are you guys? Hold on.
I just met him today.
Okay, that's fine. But are you guys the only two people here?
Yes.
Yeah.
And he's
call my manager.
that's you want to call him? That's
because this is my break time anyway.
okay. We'll just stay over here.
How you doing?
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
She's been extremely disrespectful. I was like, just go home. And I told her, just go home, call your ride, whatever, just go home. Come back tomorrow. She just didn't want to leave, so it's not my problem.
What's her name?
I don't even know her name. Can't get her name.
Oh. Is this the first day?
This first day with me, at least. I know I've heard from other manager that she can be a pain.
Okay.
She's on the phone with the boss.
Yeah, that's what I was asking. He hadn't called.
He didn't call the boss?
He didn't call the boss yet, but I'm like, I'm like, are you technically a manager right now in between two?
Yeah, that's what he said. Yeah, I mean, she's only worked there 2 weeks.
Okay.
So he's definitely the one in charge.
I was trying to get her name.
We'll get it. When she has a phone. Does he not know?
What?
Does he know her name?
He's like a manager. He came from another store, so he doesn't.
The woman contacted the store owner, who instructed her to leave the property for the time being.
You don't have to stand here like I'm a criminal.
I'm not saying you're a criminal. I'm just waiting
Okay,
for
so
you.
why do you need to escort me out if I'm going to leave? It's not
Okay,
like we're
Shaquilla,
gonna fight.
you're not going to start arguing with me, okay? I'm just waiting for you to
y'all
come.
not going to
Okay.
stand here like I'm a criminal.
They want you.
They want you to leave.
Okay, and I'm going to leave.
Okay, well, let's go.
But you're making me uncomfortable.
We'll leave when they leave.
Have I been rude? We've been rude to you or any type of way to you? We've been very patient. We've been very patient with you.
Excuse me.
All right, let's go.
Okay. You're not doing that.
Oh, Shaquilla, there's no reason to act like this.
There's no reason
We are going to
for
wait
him-
here. Okay, that's fine.
If that's the case, I would like to file a complaint. File a complaint.
We'll make sure it gets in. I promise you.
A complaint for what?
Because he's filing charges against me.
No one's filing
not
charges
filing
against you.
charges.
Hey, stop.
Please.
Don't even
See,
talk
this
to her.
is what I
Don't
was
even talk to
talking
her.
about. Now you see what I'm making make sense.
All right.
It's already that was enough. It's not a problem.
Thank you, Shaquilla.
Oh, I can't leave without.
Without what? What, do you just count in the drawer?
Yeah, no, this is my jewelry. We have to count this down in order before we leave. That's proper protocol.
Ready to 100, 125 status check.
We're okay. Are you almost finished? We can't sit around here and wait forever for you to get this done, okay? You almost done? He could finish it for you if necessary. Shaquilla?
You're interrupting. Can I focus with you?
Well, I'm trying to talk to you because, you know, you've been doing this for about 5-10 minutes now.
You just work me up so I cannot focus.
Well, he can get it done for you. We can't stand here and wait for you to leave all night.
Did I hurt you? Did I hurt him? Okay.
I didn't say you did, but they want you to go. I'm trying to be very patient with you.
My manager told me I can leave just because we're not getting along. So
I
she didn't say that I was causing any harm.
I didn't say you were causing any. Did I say you were causing harm? But this is still private property. So if they say you have to leave, you have to leave.
She is checking out. I don't know what she's doing right now. We're trying to get her out of here. if she doesn't leave voluntarily, do you want her arrested for trespassing, or you want her just to keep on going? Okay. So you want her left, but you don't want her arrested if she refuses to leave. Okay. All right. Thank you.
We ready to go?
No.
Well, what else you got to do? Because, I mean, we're on the phone with your manager right now.
I can't disclose that.
You said what?
I can't disclose that. I'm sorry.
You can't disclose what?
You're asking me what else I have to do.
I'm asking you what?
Cash. I'm at the register, so.
Okay, your work day's done. Okay, it's time to go. We talked to your manager on the phone. Manager said it's time to go.
Hey, Shaquila, I just got off the phone with your manager. She wants you to leave right now, okay? So she wants you to leave right now. Is it worth going to jail over this right now? Because you're about to go to jail. Okay? Hey, I talked to your manager. She said it's up to you. If you want her arrested now for criminal trespass, you want to pursue criminal trespassing charges, she will be arrested. We can't be here all day.
You clocked out and we're about to walk out the door. You're not even getting paid to do what you're doing right now. You're just playing games.
I just talked to your manager. She said it's up to you what you wanted to do.
Just go with them. You don't you about to go corporate. Yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, all right. You're under arrest. Turn around.
Alright, let me put this up.
No,
No, you're done.
Okay.
This was really kind of dumb. Give me your hands.
You're under arrest. Turn around. Turn around.
Stop it.
Turn around.
Like, this is so dumb. All you had to do was walk out of the store. Shaquila, stop walking away. Shaquila, stop it.
It's on her purse.
Oh, it's on her purse?
Yeah, it's fine.
Release me. Take me
You're
outside.
under arrest.
Shaquila, I'm trying to double lock your handcuffs. Stop moving.
Get off me.
Like, this is so unnecessary right now.
Did nobody tell y'all to come here and do
Yes,
do none
some
of this?
people did tell us to come here.
Okay.
Your boss.
Trespassing. I
Yeah.
work here.
It's private property. You don't just get to stay here. It's not your building.
Alright, come on. I'm just slamming against this jail.
No one's gonna slam you.
Fuck off me, bitch.
When I take this handcuff off you, you're gonna sit still.
No, you don't take the handcuff off.
I'm
Release
gonna-
me like you said you would.
We're gonna get the bag off your back.
The bag isn't even on my back, it's in my hand.
I know, and we're gonna get it out of your hand. Did you
You're
get it?
hurting me.
It's stuck on
You're
the hand.
hurting me.
Stop it.
Just stop tightening up the cuff.
No one's tightening the cuff.
You're
I'm trying to-
hurting me.
Okay. Shaquila, stop it.
I'm not just stopping if you really was hurting me.
Shaquila, let go of the bag.
You want to believe me when I
Shaquila,
say that
let
hurt?
go of the bag.
Off me, you stupid
Okay.
pig. Y'all want to hurt me.
No one wants to hurt you. Let go of the... Okay, we're just gonna... Thank you, Ben. It's gonna cut it off.
Don't you cut my fucking bag.
If you're not
my
gonna let
granny
go
gave
of
me that
it.
fucking bag. You
Okay.
don't threaten me like that. That's a threat.
It's not a threat. If you don't, if you don't release it,
What the fuck you gotta do?
Where did my handcuff go? Do you see it?
Don't.
Oh, well.
how big is it?
Sick of getting in trouble for dumb shit I didn't even fucking do. They already hurt me. I'm not going to jail for something I didn't fucking do.
Thank you.
This was really unnecessary, Shaquila. All you had to do was leave the store.
Stop talking to me. I didn't do nothing.
Here's her bag. Yeah, we had a fight over the bag. Alright, hop up, Shaquila.
Fucking touch me.
I'm not gonna touch you. Just walk into the jail, please.
Put my coat on.
I mean, we're inside. I don't... Just walk in the jail.
Okay, but I shouldn't be having to
Shaquila.
coat on. Just do one thing.
Walk in the jail and stop!
Stop it.
Okay. Shaquila, get up! Okay. Okay. Shaquila, you're gonna get charged with more things
Get
if
the
you don't stop.
off me.
Okay. You just need me in the groin. You're done.
Get off of me.
Alright, stop.
Get off of me. Get
All right.
off. Get off of me. Get off fucking
I lost my handcuff key when we were dealing with earlier. Give me your handcuff key.
Get off of
Or
me.
no, actually no.
Leave it on.
Get off of me. Y'all keep f***ing with me. I'm tired of all of y'all.
Shaquila,
Get off of me.
turn over.
Don't touch me.
Okay, if you...
Don't f***ing touch
Sit on
me.
the ground.
Don't touch me.
The way you're acting right now isn't
I don't
helping.
give a f***. Fuck you and your mama, bitch.
Thank you for sitting down.
I'm sick of y'all always fucking with me. Everybody keep fucking with me. Leave me the fuck alone. I'm dead ass serious.
Okay. Gladly.
Now what the fuck do you want? Stop staring at me.
I'm
Do
not
your
doing
job.
anything to
Do
you.
your job then.
I am.
Stop fucking looking at me. Do your job.
I am doing my job. We're waiting for the corrections officer to come downstairs. Stop acting like a child.
You are a child.
Yeah, okay.
You your mama's child.
You're right. You're right, I am. Trespassing.
I wasn't trespassing. This is my job. Stop saying that dumb shit.
Better sit down. You're just gonna...
No, you shut the up, you pig. Stop fucking laughing like it's funny.
I'm definitely not laughing. Trust me.
I'm tired of this shit. I didn't even fucking do nothing.
Evan, the charges are trespassing.
I'm not fucking trespassing.
Tequila, just sit
Stop
down.
saying that dumb shit.
Stop
Don't touch me
Then
before I
don't
slap
walk
you in your
at me.
face.
Then don't walk at me. Sit down and be quiet.
I don't like you.
That's
I thought you was a fucking threat.
I'm not threatening.
I'm dead serious. I don't fucking like you.
Okay.
All right, sit.
Stay the fuck away from me. I'm dead serious.
All right, listen. Are you gonna stop standing up and coming at
Stop
us?
talking to me. You already know.
I don't know anything.
Stop talking to me. Just do your job.
All right, is there
No more
anything-
questions. Just do.
All right, so
I'm not even gonna say that.
The sooner you
Just
cooperate,
do
the
your
sooner you
job.
can get out of
Just do your
here.
job. Just do your job.
Is there anything you're
Do your
finding?
job. Just do your job. Looking at me stupid ain't gonna get you nowhere. Just do your job.
I'll be back. Oh, Jesus, Mary Joseph.
The company, it should be there.
Stupid ass bitches!
You need him in
Get
the
off
ground.
of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! Get off of me! For real! For real! Don't touch me! No! He just touched my breast. Shoes go in my pocket. Don't fucking touch me. I'm dead serious. Don't fuck. You're hurting me. Put
Stop kicking!
Just stand there, relax,
You're
and let him take
hurting
the
me
stuff
for
out of your
the
pocket.
time. Get off of me. You're doing it on purpose.
You can't.
Get off! Get off of me! Get off!
Okay, Shaquila, you need to relax.
It's hurting me. You're hurting me.
Do not stomp on my foot.
Get off!
Watch, she's gonna try to bite you.
I'm about to call my dad.
Well, you're not gonna do anything.
I'm about to call my dad.
Okay, come on.
Get off!
Come over here. Sit down.
You're already hurting.
Sit down.
I want my dad.
All right.
I want my dad.
Sit
I
back.
did not deserve.
Sit back. Sit back.
I did not deserve it. I want my dad. I want my dad. He's pushing me off. Your communication is off. Get off me.
Just sit back.
You're hurting me.
Shaquila, this is ridiculous. Okay.
You need to come. I gotta get to the shoulders.
You're hurting me.
In your back.
Just sit
I'm
back.
not cooperating because you hurt me.
Okay, well, we're trying to help you out
Sit
here.
still.
Sit back.
Sit back and sit still.
No.
Listen.
No! F you! Fuck bitch! You hurt me!
Okay.
Ow! I wanna call my dad! Get off of me! I wanna call my dad! I want my dad! I want my dad! I'm so fucking serious! I want my dad! Get this off of me! This is hurting! Get off! The way he got it off! I don't want to sit here! Get
Well,
off!
because you're acting how you're acting, you have to sit here.
Get these cuffs off of me!
Thank you.
You hurt my fucking finger.
Hey, how'd you get...
Get these off of me!
Okay.
I'm not even doing nothing! Stop trying to fucking hurt me!
You bite me?
Get
You're
off
gonna
of
get another
me!
charge.
Get off of me! Get off of me! I don't give a f***. I'll bite your fucking off, you
I can
stupid
tell.
bitch! You're hurting me! Why did you
Well,
tear
put
my
your
nail?
arm through
You're
it.
doing that on purpose! Get off of me! Get off! I wanna call my dad! I wanna call my dad!
How do you fucking do this right here?
I'm telling
get
my
this off?
dad, bitches. I'm telling my dad.
The woman was charged with criminal trespass and 2 counts of assault on a police officer. The bond was set at $25,000 for each assault charge.